Here are the top 3 websites that allows you to get remote jobs as a Nigerian in 2024. Notes: remote jobs are not just for tech professionals. You can also be a remote accountant, financial analyst, business developer, even non-tech roles. And this allows you to make a lot of money in dollars without leaving your house. Today's 3 websites though are for tech professionals. If you want non-tech professionals, wait till the end as I have a surprise for you guys. So 1, we work remotely. If you're a backend programmer or you are into UI UX, this is a website for you. As long as you know what you're doing, if you're a full stack developer, you have to be here and you will get good gigs that pay you in dollar with good prices also. 2, remote for me. These websites allow you to get both tech and non-tech remote job. This is a hole for a lot of opportunities that can help Nigerians get out of poverty. So please, if you know anybody that look for a tech job or look for a non-tech remote job, please send them this video so they can check out our website. 3, remoteok.com. With this website, you have the opportunity to work with the biggest companies in the world, from IBM to Microsoft to Apple, all via remote work. And here you'll be paid highly competitive salaries, so you don't have to worry about that. So if you want to work with the biggest companies in the world, being paid top dollar from Nigeria remotely, make sure you use this website below. On Saturday by 7 p.m., we'll be having a live session with one of the best remote work experts from Luxembourg. And this live session will be titled Remote Work 101, how to make your first $1,000 from remote work. It's Saturday by 7 p.m. So if you're interested in remote work and want to talk to an expert that would understand and give you all the information that you need, please be there by Saturday 7 p.m. It's here on Instagram Live. So comment me, ME, to book your space. Tell me what you think in the comments. This is your money guy.